Welcome to your midday sports. We begin with football. Cavalier's goalkeeper, that's Vino Bartlett, said the conditions played a part as they were knocked out of the Concacaf Champions League after going down 4-0 to the US MLS outfit FC Cincinnati in their second leg first round match last night at the TQL Stadium in Cincinnati. They lost the 6-0 on aggregate, having been beaten in the first leg 2-0 in Jamaica last week at the National Stadium. Sidelined Reggae boy Alvas Powell actually gave FC Cincinnati the lead in the 19th minute. Aaron Bopenza in the 34th, Isaiah Foster in the 71st, and Gerardo Valenzuela in the 78th minute were the other scorers for FC Cincinnati.
Prepared, but as you see, it was very cold for us, and the pitch was fast. As you see, the pitch, we had problems in controlling the ball, etc. But we still get some positive from the game, so we just have to go back home, work on the negative, and come better next time.
With the win, FC Cincinnati advanced to the round of 16, where they will have a date with five-time CONCACAF champions Monterrey of Mexico. Jamaica's under-20 Reggae boys have qualified for the CONCACAF Championship following their 3-2 win over Bermuda in their final group game in Group F, that is, last night in St. Kitts to finish perfect from their 3 games. Robinho Gordon put the Jamaicans ahead in only the second minute of play before Fabian Reynolds doubled their advantage in the 11th minute. However, Bermuda would level proceedings in minutes 50 and 61 before Ashton Gordon found the winner in the 80th minute. Jamaica won their 3 group games, having recorded wins over Martinique and Grenada in their previous matches. Only the group winners advanced to the CONCACAF Championship. The CONCACAF Under-20 Championship will be held in Mexico from July 19 to August 4. 12 teams will vie for qualification to the 2025 FIFA Under-20 World Cup at the CONCACAF Championship. A second test century from all-rounder Cameron Green highlighted day one of the opening test match between Australia and home team New Zealand after the visitors recovered from a poor start to reach stumps at 279 for 9 in Wellington. Having won the toss, Australia sent into bat and got off a solid start as Steve Smith, 31, and Usman Khawaja, 33, added 61 runs for the first wicket. But the Aussies slipped to 89 for 4 after both openers, along with Marnus Labuschagne and Travis Head, who both made 1, were dismissed. Green, along with Mitchell Marsh, then added 67 for the 5th wicket before Marsh fell for 40. From there, only Pat Cummins, 16, and Alex Carey, 10, got to double figures as Green played a solo innings of 103 not out to reach the close. He will resume batting on day 2 along with Josh Hazelwood, who is yet to face a delivery. Matt Henry has been the pick of the New Zealand bowlers so far with 4 for 43. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.